Hello everyone, welcome back to the KashyapTechITBrothers. So this is the part 18th of SSIS tutorial. So this is the in this we will going to be covered like creating SSIS package and creating package for multicast and derived class. So in this uh, tutorial we will going to be see how to configure multicast and derived calls, how we are going to use this both the component in a SSIS package. Okay, so let's start with the practice. So first I will create new package projects, then click on integration service. Next, part 18th. Yep, click on the create. So the project and package has been created. You can see the some sample package was automatically created in SSIS package. So just rename it part 11, part 18. Okay, so basically we are going to use two components. So first of all, take the data flow task for the transformation. Double click on this. Now you will see the some components. So we will going to use one is a multicast and another one is a derived column. Okay, so this one. So basically multicast, I have already added one video about the multicast. You can check in a playlist. So multicast they distribute every input row to every row in one or more outputs. For example, branch your data flow to make a copy of data so that some value can be masked before sharing with the external partners. Okay, so about derived column. So basically derived column we use create value by applying expression transformation input column, create new column or overwrite existing one. For example, concatenate the value from the first name last name column to make a full name column. So let's start with the practical. So I will take first source. So my source will be OLEDB. Yep. So yeah, so before creating the uh, like uh, source, we have to configure the connection manager. So let's connect it, uh, configure the connection manager. So I will go to for the OLEDB connection. So this is my OLEDB connection was already is there. So I will click OK. Now I will use it and select the table from where you will going to be fetch the data. So my source will be employee. These are the columns. Okay, click on OK. Now my source is configured perfectly. Now take multicast and derived column from the common folder. So you will see here it's a multicast and second one is a derived column. So just join it. So basically the my source will be the employee table, and I will going to fetch the all the data from the source to the multicast, and multicast will what multicast will do, it will separate both the data, uh, separate the data into two parts equally. Okay, so basically I'm taking the data in a one destination and second destination, means like in first table in one table and another data into second table. So I will rename it like 1 and this is 2. Okay, so first of all this will going to be first I will use derived column, because when I will going to fetch, let's see the data in a background first, about the employee in a database. You can see here this is the table. Okay, so total 290 rows it will be going to first in employee test 1 and employee test 2. So I will going to like transfer all the data 290 rows into both the table by using multicast components. Okay, now what is the use of derived column here? So I have connected this precedent with the multicast and derived column. Now I will going to take one extra column. Like if you see here, there is having one login and job title. So basically I will going to make expression to join these two columns with a new column name like login ID and plus job title. It will be coming here after the modified date in a employee test table. Okay, so this is login and job title. So let's configure it. So derive column. So basically you have to first drag and drop the uh, like login ID. Okay, now the expression will be like a plus double quotes then plus, and then again drag and drop which you wanted to join or merge the columns with the new column. So that is the job title. Now you can see I have set up this. Now there is a no error. Name it the correctly as you have created the column in a table like login. Okay, now basically I'm creating a new column, so that's why I'm not selecting I'm not going to replace any column with new column. So this is the new column. Click on OK. Now join this derived column with the with precedence with a OLEDB destination 2. Okay, so I have joined it. The now select the destination table. So destination table will be employee test 2. Now map the columns. You can see the column is mapped perfectly. Now click on the OK. You have to select here as well like a destination table. So destination table will be test employee test 1. Okay, so our package has been set up perfectly. Okay, there is a one error. Let me check. Map the okay, map the column. Now click on the OK. Now it's gone. Now it's perfectly set up. Now let me enable the data viewer here to see the data is coming perfectly or not. Now when I click on the start, so what it will do, it will first pull the data like from the source, that is the 290 rows come from source to multicast. Now multicast will distribute those 290 column 90 rows from multicast to destination 1, and from here to 290 row in derived column, then 290 rows from here to OLEDB destination 2. So let's run it. Yep. So if you see here 290 rows coming from the source, then 290 rows from going here in OLEDB destination 1, and 290 rows is coming to derive and derive from the 290 rows from in OLEDB destination 2. So basically multicast distributing the same data into two different destination. And what derive column is doing, basically in derive column we have set up one like one new column by using the expression to join two column with new column. So you can see in a like in second part, if you see the column, we have received two new column, that is login and job title. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, perfect. So that's it about the topic. Hope you have understand how to create the SSIS package uh, by using the multicast and derive column. You can use multiple expression over here as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.